Okay, so I got this today. Really excited. I got it from a popular place online, and I noticed some of them, if you look in here, the casting looks absolutely wonky, and they're really cheap. They're like $40 or whatnot. All right, well, fine. It was eBay, and this one was $100 more than that, and looked really well made. The reason why I ask is I was installing these speakers, and you may or may not know speakers have magnets, and you may or may not know stainless steel is not supposed to do that. The stainless steel is not supposed to magnetize. These are supposed to be stainless steel, and it's really magnetized. These aren't the strongest magnets in the world. You know, it'll hold a screwdriver to it, and definitely hold this to it. But this is the packaging it came in. I mean, it looks legit. You know, the packaging is really nice. I'm impressed with it so far. I don't know if there's anything. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything to look out for a fake. I'm kind of sad if it's a fake one, because I'm not the wealthiest person on the block, and you know, really use this thing. I'm always working on stuff around here, but looks beautiful. But yeah, some of the see how that's real smooth in there. I noticed some of them pictures online, and you could see the casting mark, like a rib in there, and like really cheesy. This one's finished up inside and out, everywhere, just beautiful. But I don't know, I just thought it was strange. It's supposed to be stainless, and it just shouldn't magnetize. Oh, and I did take one of these out to make it fit my wrist, and I thought maybe these guys were steel, the little bridge connectors, whatever you call them, and these pieces magnetize even without these and without the screws. So anyhow, leave a comment, let me know if yours magnetizes. I don't know. All right, thanks for watching.